seriously, you guys were fantastic. We are so happy to be like, wow. My name is Jeff. I'm from St. Catharines. I'd seen some advertisements, and we'd been talking about fixing our basement for a while, and I finally took the leap and called, and here we are. And since we moved in, it wasn't too bad. When it first came in, it was a little drip here, a little drip there, but then it progressively was getting worse every year. Last year, when there was a big melt, well, most of it was in my basement. It was the first time I'd ever had an indoor pool in my house, so it was the time we decided to do things to fix it. We'd seen the cracks in the wall, but we hadn't seen the severity of it. Wall board was pulled off and that, and it was like, oh, it was hiding a lot of sins. They were great, super friendly guys. They explained anything when we had questions. Unlike some people, they started like 9 in the morning, and they never stopped until 4 o'clock, and their crew was just go, 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 go. And we'd be sitting up here going, oh my goodness, how much can they be doing? They did a lot of work down there, and it was great. I don't dread rainstorms anymore. I don't dread sudden melts with snow. There's that confidence that if there is anything, that it's going to be taken care of. We also had some wall buckling going on down there, and they put support girders in. It's like, okay, we don't have to worry about that anymore. It's fine. It's taken care of. Oh man, again, there's the confidence factor there. The equipment you guys use, nothing to worry about. We're going to be fine. I've had some people ask who's done it. I've told them it was Omni that did it. They did a fantastic job, and I would absolutely recommend them to everybody. And it was funny, I was talking to a guy at work who lives in Hamilton. Omni did his basement, and he loved the job they did. So it's nice to know other people who've gone through it.
Bye-bye, thank you.